Today we are going to show you how to deactivate your the antivirus in your laptop or in your computer. Let's start together. So we must understand that, or you must know that the operating system which we call Windows, I'm using from my laptop here, is a Windows 10. Operating system used to come with the antivirus inside. So why are we going to deactivate that antivirus? We must know that sometimes when we are working on our laptop, in our computer, example, we want to download something or you want to install something, program, software of any file, you found the file is corrupt, it's not finished. You download is not finished. You install is not going, is corrupt. So we must know that is that antivirus which is in our operating system which is doing that, which is causing that. So how are we going to deactivate that antivirus? Let's start together. We look under on the taskbar. When you're going to the under, you can see under your screen of the laptop is what we call taskbar. In the taskbar here is a search bar. Also you can pass by here, is no problem. Or maybe you can go here, it is no problem. When you are going this side, you can see this icon. You can see this icon. Okay, let's start. You must look under your screen of your laptop. You can see at this side, the right side, is what we call search bar. You can pass even here, you can write only virus. Example, write virus. Okay, you write virus. Automatically they give you the option which is the writing virus and threat protection. You can even pass here. If you don't want to pass there, you can also pass this side on the, this is on the left side and this side is on the right side. You go on the right side, you can see there, you can see also is many icon there. So you can see here, this is the VLC, uTorrent, network, Bluetooth, speaker. You can see here is what is that icon is the what is a one who is representing the virus. You can go there. You can see you have another Windows is open. Yeah, that Windows is open. You can see they write there virus and threat protection. You go down, you see they write real-time protection. So real-time protection, that is your virus. How are you going to do here? You can see is a blue color and is writing here on. So it means your virus is on. So you must deactivate it to make it off so that your computer or your file cannot be corrupt or cannot be stopped, or maybe what you are doing, your work, downloading, installing, cannot be stopped or corrupt. You must go here and make deactivated. So when you make deactivate, you can see is cross, red cross there. And here you can see is off. So that is mean your antivirus in your laptop is deactivated. So now you can do everything you want. You can download, you can install. You see, that is what I would like to show you. And then I told you, you can even pass in the other side, left side. You can even write only virus. It's the same way. You can go. You can see it's open your window. You can what do you see? You can is open your window. You can go there. You can go where they calling manage and setting. Manage and setting. You can see it's the same way. It's the same way from deactivated your virus. So don't forget. You must go when you are there. Don't forget. You can scroll down. You check manage setting. And you can see because I already deactivated, so nothing we can do again is already been deactivated. So that is a procedure you can use to deactivate your virus. I would like to call for everyone who watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, because when you subscribe to our channel, Tech Skills Base, it will give you a key to open the next video. Thank you very much.